Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with our new topic, that is the adipose tissue. This tissue is basically meant for storing the fats, and this is the sort of tissue which is going to provide you insulation, means protection of your own heat is going to be there inside your body. Okay, so एडिपोज टिश्यू इज बेसिकली नोन एज द बॉडी फैट. बॉडी में जितना ज्यादा फैट होगा उतना ही ज्यादा डिपोजिशन ऑफ एडिपोज टिश्यू होगा आपकी बॉडी में. ठीक है. It is an aggregation of fat cells or adipocytes, and the type of cells which are going to make the adipose tissue is known as the adipocytes. They are going to clump together, they are going to aggregate together, then they will be making the adipose tissue. The fat cells are arranged into lobules separated by partitions of collagen and elastin fibers. तो ये जो lobes में divided जैसा कुछ structure दिखेगा आपको, in between you will be able to see that collagen fibers are there, elastin fibers are there. Okay, these partition carry blood vessels of lobules और इनमें blood की supply होगी. They will be carrying the blood also. Blood vessels will be there inside the lobules, that chambers, and it is found all over the body. This tissue is found all over the body. Okay. Occurrence, when we are talking about, then it can be found under the skin. Under your skin it is going to be the insulation covering for your body. Subcutaneous fat बोलते हैं उसको. And it is also going to be there in the packing material of the internal organs. Whatever the internal organs are there in your body, they are going to be packed at their particular place. That packing is done by the adipose tissue, that is known as the visceral fat, and it is also found in between the muscles, within the bone marrow, and in breast tissue also it is found. Okay. Now function, it serve as a fat reservoir. Fat का reservoir के form में काम करते हैं. It is going to provide the shape to the limbs and the body. Body में जो आपके limbs होते हैं, आपके hind limbs and your fore limbs are there, तो उसमें shape provide करने का काम करेंगे. दूसरा insulation करेंगे. It is going to be insulator material, पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. आपकी बॉडी से ज़्यादा हीट को जैसे रेडिएट बाहर नहीं होने देंगे ड्यूरिंग द विंटर्स. ओके. एंड टेम्परेचर रेगुलेशन करेंगे आपका ये. नाउ नेक्स्ट इन द कैटेगरी इज द स्केलेटल टिश्यू, एंड इट इंक्लूड्स कार्टिलेज एंड बोन. इसमें दो तरीके की कैटेगरी होती है, cartilage and bone. Cartilage are also known as a soft bones. Okay, and bone itself is a very hard material. It forms the endoskeleton of the vertebrate body. Vertebrate body के अंदर endo यानी अंदर का skeleton system बनाते हैं ये. It is with dense and mineralized matrix. इनका जो matrix होता है basically वो बहुत dense होता है और उसमें minerals बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. And they form the endoskeleton of the vertebrates. Two types of skeletal tissue, as I already told you, cartilage और bone. ये दो skeletal tissues हैं आपके पास में. फर्स्ट वन इन द पिक्चर इज द कार्टिलेज. ये कैसा है? सॉफ्ट बोन्स कहते हैं इनको, फ्लेक्सिबल है ये. इट इज ऑल्सो द टाइप ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, बिकॉज दिस वन इज अ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू ऑल्सो, एडिपोज ऑल्सो. सो इट इज हार्ड. ये हार्ड है बट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज देयर, लाइक इट इज देयर इन द टिप ऑफ योर नोज, इन द ट्रैकिया. Okay, and it is having the solid matrix. is a जो matrix होता है वो basically glycoproteinaceous होता है, and it is secreted by chondroblast. तो इसमें cells होते हैं, ये जो आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में, these cells are known as a chondroblast और chondrocytes. ठीक है. they are present in 2 or 4. ये ग्रुप्स में रहते हैं, 2 का जोड़ा या फिर 4 का जोड़ा बना के. मैट्रिक्स इज नॉन वेस्कुलर विद नो नर्व सप्लाई. मैट्रिक्स में सप्लाई नहीं होती ब्लड की या फिर किसी और फ्लूइड की, तो नो ब्लड सप्लाई और नो वेस्कुलर सप्लाई इज देयर, नर्व सप्लाई भी नहीं है. नाउ एक्सटर्नली कवर्ड बाय अ वाइट फाइब्रस कवरिंग कॉल्ड पेरिकॉन्ड्रियम. अंदर से जो इनकी कवरिंग होती है दैट इज नोन एज अ पेरिकॉन्ड्रियम एक्सटर्नली. ठीक है, सॉरी, एक्सटर्नल मतलब बाहर से. कार्टिलेज शोज ओनली यूनिडायरेक्शनल ग्रोथ. जो कार्टिलेज का ग्रोथ होता है वो यूनिडायरेक्शनल होता है, सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन में. ओके. बोन जो होता है वो बाइडायरेक्शनल ग्रोथ होता है आपका. occurrence, it is found at the ends of limb bones. limbs जो आपके limbs हैं इनकी bones में आपके ends में पाया जाएगा ये. and sternum यानी your chest cavity में जो sternum है आपका. in ear pinna आपका flexible है because it is having the cartilage. nasal septum, the sort of division between your nose, that is a nasal septum. larynx, your voice box, that trachea also, that windpipe, bronchi. So all these organs are having the tissue which is known as basically under the connective tissue, that is cartilage. Function now, it is going to provide the mechanical support and flexibility. ये joints जो आपके flexible होते हैं, that is all because of the presence of the cartilage. Okay, although it is joined from bone to bone है, लेकिन cartilage flexibility provide करेगा. It acts as a shock absorber, और shock को absorb करने का काम भी cartilage ही करता है. Next in the category is a bone, which you must be knowing that it is the very hard type of tissue present in our body. And the matrix of bone is made up of both organic and inorganic matter. Organic inorganic matter मिल करके इसका matrix बनाते हैं, ठीक है. Matrix solid है इसका. The matrix of bone is in the form of thin concentric rings called lamellae. ये जो आपको concentric rings दिख रहे हैं, they are known as lamellae. ये one ring, another ring, this one is a ring, the next ring. So these are known as basically lamellae, and between this lamellae there are ring of spaces. ये जो आपके ring of spaces है, ये space in between the one ring and the another ring, that is known as the lacunae. ठीक है, ये spaces है आपके lacunae. Each having cytoplasmic branches called canaliculi, और इनके बीच में क्या है आपके, ये जो cytoplasmic branching है, ये canaliculi कहलाते हैं. ठीक है. So regarding the diagrams, you have to go for the practice of all the diagrams, because it is very important for your exam purpose. And bone cells are also called osteoblast और osteocyte. जैसे वो chondrocytes कहलाते थे, वैसे ही osteocytes या फिर osteoblast कहलाएंगे. Minerals provide hardness to the bone. Minerals जो होंगे वो bone को hardness provide करेंगे. And bone is the strongest and inflexible. Bone ज़्यादा flexible नहीं है. It's not flexible like the cartilage, but it's the strongest one. Skeletal connective tissue के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा strong अगर कोई है वो bone है. Okay. Long bones having the bone marrow cavity filled with a fatty tissue called bone marrow. ठीक है, इनके बीच में जो marrow, the sort of liquid substance which is present inside the bones, are known as the bone marrow. It is a sort of fatty tissue. Growth of the bone is bidirectional. This is very important when we are talking about the growth of the bone. Then it is bidirectional, and the cartilage was unidirectional. Function, when we are talking about, then bones form the major part of the endoskeleton of bony fishes and mammals. Mammals और bony fishes के अंदर जो endoskeleton होता है, bones are going to be the major part of that one. And it also provides surface for attachment of muscles. Bones के ऊपर ही आपके muscles attached होते हैं, जैसा कि आपने पढ़ा था bone to muscle tendons. ठीक है. It also provides surface for the attachment of muscles to help in locomotion. Locomotion कराएंगे, muscles will move, then only bone will be able to move. And it protect heart, lungs, brain, etc. Actually, when we are talking about the brain, then brain is having the outer skull. It is known as the helmet of your head. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है, बोन का बना हुआ स्ट्रक्चर. लंग इज प्रोटेक्टेड इनसाइड अवर rib cage, तो rib cage bony structure. Heart is also protected inside our rib cage. Okay, so now these act as a storehouse of calcium and phosphorus. When we are talking about the composition, then they are containing much of calcium and phosphorus. ठीक है, so this was all about the connective tissues. Few more connective tissues are remaining that we will be proceeding in the next video. By that time, do this much. Okay, thank you.